आदरणीय मेरा नेपाली दाजुभाइ तथा दिदीबहिनीहरू, our distinguished Japanese friends, well-wisher of Nepal and the Nepalese people in Japan and in Kansai area, on behalf of the Embassy of Nepal and on behalf of the government of Nepal and on my own behalf, I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude and thankfulness to all my Nepalese brothers and sisters living in Japan, spread from Hokkaido to Okinawa, for gathering here to celebrate Nepal's National Day in this beautiful Nepal Pavilion. I take this opportunity to request you all to make a peaceful group to go to the National Day Hall, where we will be celebrating Nepal Day today with the performance of our Japanese singers and dancers, including our Masako Shindo-san and other famous Japanese artists, singers and dancers, along with my sisters and brothers from Japan will be performing beautiful, amazing, vibrant and diverse culture and costumes, songs and dances of Nepal. Although we opened the Nepal Pavilion lately, but I assure you the participation of Nepal will be successful, memorable, meaningful and fruitful one. And through this pavilion, through this beautiful Nepal Pavilion, we will be showcasing our Nepal's unique and amazing nature, our diverse and vibrant culture, our beautiful, sustainable goods and delicious foods of Nepal will be showcasing to all the friendly people of Japan and people coming around the globe. So with this few words of greetings, gratitude, good wishes and goodwill, I again want to thank you all for your coming to the ceremony, and we will be celebrating not only today, but we will be celebrating Nepalese unity and our sincere friendship with the friendly Japanese people until 13th of October. And I also take this opportunity to express my sincere thankfulness to the esteemed BID Management and Lalit Mandap Private Limited and their entire team for doing untiring efforts and support to make this beautiful Nepal Pavilion. I already mentioned Nepal Pavilion is beautiful because Nepal is beautiful. So we will show our unity and solidarity. We will extend our unity and solidarity in Japan and all over the world, because we, the people of the land, Nepal, where the apostle of peace, the Lord Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini in Nepal. So through this pavilion, we will spread the message of peace, non-violence, peaceful coexistence, harmony and humanity to Japan, to the world. So be proud of being Nepalese and make Nepalese people united. And with the solidarity and unity of Nepalese people, we will make a small Nepal in Japan through this pavilion. म सबै मेरा आदरणीय नेपाली दाजुभाइ तथा दिदीबहिनीहरूलाई आज हजुरहरूको उपस्थितिको लागि नेपाली राजदूतावासको तर्फबाट र नेपाल सरकारको तर्फबाट आदरपूर्वक हार्दिक धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। यसरी नै अनुशासनपूर्वक हामी एउटा सानो टिम बनाएर आज हामी नेपाल डे मनाउन नेसनल डे हलतर्फ प्रस्थान गर्नेछौँ। त्योभन्दा अगाडि एकछिन हामी नेपालको हाम्रो सांस्कृतिक नौमती पञ्चे बाजा बजाएर शुभ साहित्य गरेर यहाँबाट हिँड्नेछौँ। अनुशासनपूर्वक नेपालीले संसारभर देखाउने कुरा, जापानमा देखाउने कुरा पनि हाम्रो अनुशासन, हामी मेलमिलाप गर्ने जाति हौँ, सबैसँग मिलेर बस्न सक्ने जाति हौँ भन्ने देखाएर आज हामीले हाम्रो नेपाल दिवसलाई सफल पारौँ भन्ने आह्वान र अनुरोध गरेर हजुरहरूलाई पुनः धन्यवाद र आभार व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। लङ लिभ नेपाल जापान रिलेसन्स, नेपरू निहोन खाङ्खै भान्जाई, नेपाल जापान सम्बन्ध अमर रहोस्। धन्यवाद।
The Japanese government will now enter.
どうぞ皆様盛大な拍手でお迎えください。ただいまより2025年日本国際博覧会ネパールナショナルデー公式式典を開式いたします。
We will now begin the official ceremony for the Expo 2025 Osaka, Kansai, Japan, National Day of the Federal Republic of Nepal.
はじめにネパール、日本両国の国歌とともに国旗を掲揚いたします。
अब आजको यस नेपालको राष्ट्रिय दिवसको अवसरमा सर्वप्रथम नेपाल जापानको राष्ट्रिय झण्डाको झण्डोत्तोलन हुनेछ।
First, we will hoist the national flags of both countries while playing the national anthem.
皆様ご起立ください。
Please rise.
ラムプラサドギミレ産業商業供給時間ご列席の皆様、ナマスカール、こんにちは。外務大臣政務官の生稲晃子です。
Dr. Ram Prasad Gimire, Secretary of the Ministry of Industry, Commerce and Supply. Madam Gimire, distinguished guests, I am Akiko Ikuina, Parliamentary Vice Minister for Foreign Affairs.
先日、私もネパールを訪問しまして、オリ首相をはじめ、レウバ外務大臣などから素晴らしい歓待を受けました。今度は日本で皆様をもたらすことができまして、大変嬉しく思っています。
I recently visited Nepal and received a wonderful reception from Prime Minister Mr. Oli, Foreign Minister Dr. Deuba, and others. I am delighted to be able to host you here in Japan.
本日ここにギミレ次官のご臨席のもと、ネパールのナショナルデーの式典が開催されますことを、日本政府を代表して心からお祝い申し上げます。
On behalf of the government of Japan, I would like to extend my warmest congratulations on the occasion of the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal's National Day celebration, held here today in the presence of Dr. Gimire and Madam Gimire.
日本とネパールは長年の友好国であり、120年以上にわたる大変長い歴史があります。両国の友好は1899年のウッソ川口英会のネパール訪問や、1902年にネパール初の留学生が日本へ派遣されたこと、1956年の今西俊夫さんらによるマナスル初登場など、多くの人的交流により育まれてまいりました。
Japan and Nepal have a very long history of friendship, spanning more than 120 years. Friendship between the two countries has been nurtured through many person-to-person exchanges, such as the visit to Nepal by Buddhist monk Ekai Kawaguchi in 1899, the dispatch of Nepal's first foreign student to Japan in 1902, and the first ascent of the Manasul Peak by Toshio Imanishi and his team in 1956.
現在、日本に在留されるネパールの方の数は23万人を超えています。日本に在住する外国人の数としては第5位の多さとなりました。大変多くのネパールの方が日本社会の一員として活躍されており、皆さんの活躍が両国の良好な関係を表していることを大変嬉しく思います。
Over 230,000 Nepalese currently reside in Japan, the fifth largest foreign population in our country. We are delighted to see so many Nepalese thriving as members of Japanese society, an indication to the positive relationship between our two countries.
日本はネパールの発展に寄与すべく、インフラ、農業、教育など幅広い分野で支援を長年継続してきました。2015年に完成し、ネパールの都市と地方の経済をつなぐ大動脈であるシンズリ道路、まもなく開業予定のネパール初の山岳トンネルであるナグドゥンガトンネル、まさに両国の友好の証としてネパールの発展を支えていくことでしょう。
Japan has long supported Nepal's development in a wide range of areas, including infrastructure, agriculture, and education. I believe that the completion of the Shinzuri Road in 2015, a major artery connecting Nepal's urban and rural economies, and the soon-to-open Nagduhanga Tunnel, Nepal's first mountain tunnel, will continue to support Nepal's progress as a testament to the friendship between our countries.
そして日本とネパールは来年外交関係樹立70周年の記念の年を迎えます。この大阪・関西万博や来年の外交関係樹立70周年を機に、日本とネパールがこれまで以上に身近な存在となり、友好関係を一層深めていくことを願っております。
Next year, Japan and Nepal will celebrate the 70th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations. We hope that the Expo and the 70th anniversary of diplomatic relations next year will bring our countries closer than ever before and further deepen our friendly relationship.
またネパールの皆様にも日本のパビリオンを見ていただき、日本の魅力を改めて感じ取っていただければ幸いです。
We also hope that the people from Nepal will visit the Japanese pavilions and appreciate the charm of Japan.
最後にネパールの大阪・関西万博への参加に関し、改めて感謝の意を表するとともに、義務で時間のご訪日を実り大きいものとなることを心より記念いたしまして、私のご挨拶とさせていただきます。
In closing, I would like to express my gratitude again for the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal's participation in the Expo. I sincerely hope Dr. Gimire and Madam Gimire's visit to Japan will be a fruitful one.
ダンネバード茶、ありがとうございました。
Honorable Minister, please.
Distinguished guest of honor of the ceremony, Her Excellency Ms. Akiko Ikuina, Parliamentary Vice Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Government of Japan, His Excellency Dr. Durgabhadur Subedi, Ambassador of Nepal to Japan, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I feel honored and privileged to stand here and welcome you all to Nepal's special day at Expo 2025 Osaka. Reverend Ekai Kawaguchi, a Japanese Buddhist monk, visited Nepal in 1899 on his way to Tibet in search of the holy Buddhist scriptures. He highlighted the importance of illumining the birthplace of Lord Buddha to the Japanese people through his writings. In 1902, during the Rana regime, 8 Nepali students came to Japan for higher education, fostering closer ties between the two nations. Nepali people highly regard Japan's culture of social etiquette, polite behavior, quest for social harmony, and the quality of life.
ネパール国民は日本の礼儀作法、丁寧な行動、社会調和の追求、そして生活の質を高く評価。
I wish Expo 2025 Osaka a grand success. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimashita.
大成功を心よりお祈りしております。ご清聴ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
Thank you.
引き続き公式催事を移らせていただきます。
We will now proceed to the official event.
まずはドゥーガー・バハドゥル・スペリー駐日ネパール大使より本日の文化パフォーマンスについてご紹介いただきます。
First, Honorable Ambassador Dr. Durga Bahadur Spedi, Ambassador of Nepal to Japan, will introduce today's official cultural event.
皆様盛大な拍手をお送りください。
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, मेरा आदरणीय नेपाली दाजुभाइ तथा दिदीबहिनीहरू, on behalf of the Embassy of Nepal and on behalf of the government of Nepal, I wish to extend very warm welcome to all of you to the Nepal National Day ceremony in this beautiful venue of Osaka Expo Kansai 2025. I take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to Her Excellency Ms. Akiko Ikuina, Honorable Parliamentary Vice Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Government of Japan, for gracious presence at this beautiful ceremony at the guest of honor. I also extend very warm welcome to Dr. Ram Prasad Ghimire, the leader of the Nepalese delegation to Osaka Expo and the Industry, Commerce and Supply Secretary of Government of Nepal and his entire team to this ceremony. I also wish to extend very warm welcome and express sincere thankfulness to Honorable His Excellency Mr. Yosuke Churho, the President of Japan-Nepal Parliamentary Friendship League, for his gracious presence at this ceremony as a special guest. I also extend very warm welcome to all the Japanese friends and well-wisher of Nepal and the Nepalese people in Japan, particularly in Kansai areas, including our diplomatic corps in Osaka city. I also take this opportunity to express my sincere thankfulness to all my Nepalese brothers and sisters who help us very much to make our participation in Osaka Expo with very meaningful, fruitful, and successful effort and support. And this Nepalese community in Japan is also contributing to promote our culture in Japan, our costume in Japan, and also our delicious cuisine in Japan. I already mentioned through this beautiful Nepal pavilion. This afternoon also, I appeal to the friendly Japanese people and my Nepalese brothers and sisters, saying that let's say Nepal pavilion is beautiful because Nepal is beautiful. So we are showcasing beautiful Nepal to the friendly people of Japan and friendly people coming around the globe. म यस समारोहमा समस्त जापानवासी नेपाली दाजुभाइ तथा दिदीबहिनीहरूलाई पनि हजुरहरूको यो साथ सहयोग शुभकामना सद्भावना र सहभावनाको लागि यो नेपाल मण्डप तयार गरेर यो जारी विश्व प्रदर्शनी ओसाकामा जारी विश्व प्रदर्शनीमा नेपालीहरूको शिर र स्वाभिमान ठाडो पार्ने यो मण्डप तयार गर्ने कार्यमा जुन सहयोग गर्नुभएको छ म नेपाली राजदूतावासको तर्फबाट र नेपाल सरकारको तर्फबाट समस्त आदरणीय नेपाली दाजुभाइ तथा दिदीबहिनीहरूलाई म धेरै धेरै बधाई धन्यवाद र आदरपूर्वक आभार व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु. Finally, having said this, few words of greetings, gratitude, goodwill, and good wishes, I wish to request you all to enjoy the cultural performance of Nepal, which will reflect, I already mentioned, the diverse, vibrant, and amazing cultures, costumes, and traditions, as well as beautiful songs, dances, and music of Nepal. Let's enjoy. There will be two parts. The first part will be over as an official event, and second part will be the cultural event. So I wish to appeal to you all to join both parts, enjoy Nepal, and witness and experience the warmth of hospitality of Nepalese people in Japan. I thank you all. Arigato, dhanyavad. Long live Nepal-Japan relations. Neparo Nihon Khankei Banjai. Nepal-Japan Sambandha Amar rahoस्. धन्यवाद.
लाग्दछ मलाई रमाइलो ちは。ネパールパビリオンも見てきましたか？素晴らしい出来で、私も初日に見に行ったんですけれども、本当に素晴らしいパビリオンだったなと思います。今から歌う私の歌というのはですね、今から50年以上前に、作られたネパールを愛するという気持ちを歌った歌です。私は32年前に初めてネパールを旅行しましたけれども、その時にも流れていたのを覚えています。今日は日本語とネパール語半分ずつで歌いたいと思います。日本の人もどうぞお楽しみください。お釈迦様が生まれた国、ルンビニのあるところです。ブッダが生まれた国、私たちネパールを優しく見守るお釈迦様の目というタイトルがついております。 ところ歌の女が見守る母なる大地この命よりも大切なあなたへの溢れる愛はやがて川となり流れてゆくよ終わらない平和と愛のありがとうございましたぜひ、ブッダが生まれたネパールに皆さんも一度足を運んでください。ありがとうございました。
देखेर तिमीलाई हेरेर तिमीलाई तिमीलाई तिमीलाई
चौके मोरे दिल के आंगनिया जब बाजे छैको छैको चौके मोरे दिल के आंगनिया जोर से बजे मनेरा नाची लहंगा फार फार 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 चमके काने में कनवाली तुहर माथे में चमके लिया चमके काने में कनवाली जब डोले उल्ले उल्ले मन बोले बनाओ दिलवाली जब डोले उल्ले उल्ले मन बोले बनाओ दिलवाली जोर से बजे मनेरा नाचे लहंगा फार फार जोर से बजे मनेरा नाचे लहंगा फार फार जोर से बजे मनेरा नाचे लहंगा फार फार जोर से बजे मनेरा
ここでネパール代表団の皆様がご退席されます。
The delegation of the Nepal will now take its leave.
どうぞ皆様盛大な拍手でお送りください。